Tungsten, known for its exceptional properties, plays a pivotal role in advancing electronic technologies. With a high melting point and superior thermal conductivity, tungsten becomes the material of choice for applications demanding precision and reliability. In the realm of semiconductors, tungsten wafers and substrates stand as the foundation for cutting-edge electronic devices. These substrates provide a stable platform for the deposition of thin films, a critical step in semiconductor fabrication. Tungsten crucibles take the spotlight in crystal growth processes, ensuring a pristine environment for the production of high-purity semiconductors. Their resistance to high temperatures and chemical reactions makes them indispensable for handling molten semiconductor materials. In semiconductor fabrication, tungsten heater elements orchestrate the precise deposition of thin films in semiconductor fabrication. Their high melting point and thermal stability empower manufacturers with the control needed to achieve optimal deposition conditions. In the realm of connectivity, tungsten takes on a new role as electrical contacts and connectors in electronic devices. The high conductivity and durability of tungsten ensure reliable electrical connections, powering the seamless operation of electronic components. At Stanford Advanced Materials, we stand at the forefront, providing a spectrum of high-quality tungsten products tailored for the electronic and semiconductor industries. Explore the possibilities of tungsten in electronics. Visit www.samiterials.com to discover how our advanced materials can elevate your technological endeavors.